Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We are in October. We got Halloween coming up. And we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And you guys take a look. Link will be down below. Check them out and see what other goodies they have to offer. And Christmas will be here 93 days or 89 days. Uh-oh. Guys, to the side. What do we have here today? There we go. Alrighty. Got some stuff in here. Alright, cool. This is from my good friends over at BNT on Amazon. You got, I believe, some solar wireless. Oh, reflection is bad. Here we go. Here we go, a lot better. Adjust this a little bit there. Here we go. See what these look like. And of course, take advantage of the Prime's fast shipping. Add this to your wish list. They'll send this to you in no time. There we go. You got the manual. Oh, it's one of these guys. I got this. That's to adjust it. I'll get this out of the box. Here we go. Bada boom. BNT solar wireless motion sensor. Really cool. These things are bright, really nice to have. And here we got these. I think there's only one pack in here, so this is what it looks like. There's a switch right here. Just gotta hit it. Hold on one sec. There we go. Watch this. Boom. It's pretty bright though. Really cool. See that. But definitely have a couple extras around your house, and by your shed, your garage. Really cool. Great security feature to have. And easy to install. There's screws here. You just put it in the hole, and that's it. I don't have to install these because I have nowhere to put these right now, just because I have a couple extra ones outside already. So, but that's how bright they are. Pretty cool. Got the solar panel. BNT. Where were you last night? Check them out, YouTubers. Good company, great products. There you go. There's the back end, and it comes with the screws somewhere over here. Came with the screws. Oh, it's in the this bag. We got the screws in the manual, but it's easy to install. It won't take you guys that long to install it. Oops, sorry about that. Definitely a nice solar wireless motion sensor. Alright, YouTubers, have a good one. See you in the next video.